welcome back to Coffee Kittens and Crafts. My name is Amber, and today we are planning for the week of May 31st through June 6th in my classic Happy Planner. And my Happy Planner that I use here is the Stargazer, which if you are a Happy Planner person, you probably know. But, so this month is the red colorway on the Stargazer. And I will be honest with you, most of the time I don't mind the different colored pages and the stars and stuff. That's why I kind of use the Stargazer line a lot, is because I don't really mind it, but the red I really struggle with. I just have to be totally honest. So at the beginning of the month, I have all of these whole days to go through with trying to figure out layouts to go with the red. So we'll see. I struggled with this one. However, I found this kit from Tralala Design or Tralala Stickers. I absolutely love her stickers. I have so many kits of them, and she does only downloads, so that's very exciting for me. But anyway, so I purchased this kit. It's called Call Me, I believe, on her website. I'll link, or not her website, she's on Etsy. I'll link to the products in the description box down below. Please go check them out. So there's the Happy Planner Classic Kit, and that's what this page is from. And then there's also a like sticker pack. I forget exactly. I think it might be like sticker icons or something like that she calls it. Anyway, so most of her kits, especially her more recent ones, have this this sticker kit that you can get them outside of these boxes. And so I also got that, and I actually resized a couple of them. I hope she's okay with that. I would imagine she would be okay with it. Anyway, so I resized them to like do what I wanted to accomplish with my page. So that is here. This and this are both from the sticker kit. And then this is, I think, what is this? Oh, this is the sticker kit, I believe. So this is the icon sticker kit. And this is what I took and blew up a bit. So, because I just like that big pop in the corners, it is kind of my style, and I really like it. And then, of course, I made the boxes. And then I will definitely be incorporating some of these in there as well. So anyway, let's see, do I have a fourth page? I do. Okay, this is the second page of the weekly kit for the classic Happy Planner. So I'm very excited to play with this. It's like, yeah, it's just fun. So anyway, let's dive in. right, here it is. Oh my gosh, I love how this came out. It is so beautiful, and I absolutely love just the whole look of it and all of the colors, and I'm a lot happier with it after I covered up the big red June marker in this corner. It made everything better. I'm not a red person. So anyway, I hope that you had a good time hanging out with me today. I certainly enjoyed it. I really love putting together sticker packs like this. It's like a puzzle and fun to try to like figure out, okay, where's the, like, where can I bring the artistry out of it? So I really appreciate that. If you liked this video, please like this video and consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell icon down below so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. I hope that you have a very good day, and I will see you on our next video.